To develop a beautiful looking and interactive app, we need to develop our app using Material App and Scaffold widgets. Like if we want to develop an app with a beautiful app bar color and app bar title, and if we want to take a side drawer navigation, some action widgets, the footer navigation, or a floating action button, then we have to develop our app using Material App widget. So let's do that. Using Material App's theme parameter, we can give a beautiful color to our app. And using its home parameter, we can pass a scaffold widget. And using scaffold widget, we can give our app one app bar. And in the app bar, we can pass our app title. Let's run the app to test. Great, we have taken an app bar with a beautiful color and title. We can take action widgets inside our app bar. And in action widgets, we can pass multiple widgets. So let's pass 2 icons for now. We can also take one side drawer navigation using drawer parameter of scaffold widget. Let's save it, stop debugging, and run the app again. Great. We have taken 2 action widgets in our app bar and also taken a side drawer navigation in our app. Well, now let's call the body parameter of scaffold widget and pass our home widget to the body property and run the app again. Now we can see our home widget's content at the center body of our app. Now let's take one floating action button. And in the floating action button, let's pass the floating action button widget. And now let's pass one icon as floating action button's child. We can see a green squiggly here on floating action button widget. Let's hover over it. It says the parameter on pressed is required. Well, we will know details about required parameter later in diving into Dart intermediate. For now, let's implement the required parameter. Well, onPressed parameter always takes a method. For now, let's pass one anonymous and empty method. Save it and run the app again. And here comes the floating action button.